Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can form an LLC in Texas. So let's start. Now the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing company which is going to help you set up your LLC. Now why is it important to outsource this thing? Because only one thing, that you want to focus on generating revenue and increase your sales. I see many people in past, like I've been entrepreneur for like 8 years right now, and I've seen many people like micromanaging accounting, micromanaging all the business administration, and they are not actually focusing on like sales and increasing revenue. So this is really important to just like outsource it to the good company which is going to solve everything for you, and you just focus on the business. So let's start. First thing, you want to like click here on LLC, and now you just want to start your business with a confidence and write your name here. So Marcus Tonelius. Here, check availability. When I'm going to do it, in what state would you like to form Marcus Tonelius? Enter state here, Texas. Search. And as you can see, no one choose the name. Now I'll just add here a simple email address. And then when do you want to launch? Let's go with a soon. Launching new business is a life-changing move. Okay, continue. Is Marcus Tonelius your first LLC? Yes. If it's no, just press no. Then what will Marcus Tonelius do? And let's say that I'm going to be in e-commerce, but you can actually choose, let's say that your flower is just like right here flower, or in construction, right there construction. Continue. Will Marcus Tonelius have employees in the first year? If you press yes, just press yes. If no, just press no. Now here, essential services for Marcus Tonelius. So by law, you will require a registered agent, of course. You will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. Understandable. See essential services. Now, LegalZoom offers you their own registered agent service. I recommend going through that. Of course, you can appoint a different registered agent. Up to you, guys. It's legally required. It's an easy choice through the LegalZoom, and it's good value. Now, continue with LegalZoom. Now, save time and money on your essential documents. So the first thing is that you can actually choose operating agreement. Then you have like operating agreement plus ein, and operating agreement ein, and also licenses. So the operating agreement is like the basic one. Then you get the ein, that's like is required. Without it, you can file taxes or open a bank account, or you have option to actually choose like everything, complete coverage. I recommend going with the complete coverage because the price difference is not that huge, and you're gonna have literally everything. So let's go with the operating agreement. You can change that also in the checkout. Now, the next thing that they offer you also business services as Legal Protect or Total Compliance. So the first thing, Legal Protect is really good if you want to actually talk with independent attorneys for any new employment or legal issue, or if you want some legal advice on any new issue, plus access to our legal forms library, all included, and it's going to cost you $40 a month and 10 days with your LLC order. And then there's like trial for those 10 days. Now to go further, they're going to offer you also total compliance. What I like about total compliance is that they're going to risk on themselves. If you would risk this here, is like if we miss anything, we pay the fine or penalty. We help you set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. Fail to stay compliant and you can be sued personally for acts of your business. So this is good. It's going to cost you only $280 a year. You can like add it to your checkout, or you don't need to. Again, up to you. You can do it anytime. No thanks. And then, oh, it's bugged. So let me show you again. I will go. Now, okay, we got it here. No thanks. Package. And here I have an option to choose between economy, standard, and express gold. Now the economy is going to take you 30 days to actually set up the company. In standard, it's going to be 15 days. In express gold, it's going to be 10 days if you need it fast and quick. The one thing I like about express gold is that actually, you can see it here, that you're going to have 7 days a week, lifetime customer support. And that's good if you need it. So I would go with the express gold, but really up to you which one you choose. And then you're going to see it here, digital tracker. You get everything, LLC filing, Texas articles of SEC preparation. They will set up everything for you, so you will have everything. Now, when I'm going to choose like this one here, of course, now you can like choose the Bank America. This is like their affiliate. You can click no thanks. And here you can see simply that you can like, okay, it's going to cost you $800. Let's say that is too much. You can simply change it to economy. And it's going to change. It's like $579, which is not that much in my opinion for creating company. And you are going to have like everything figured out. Like everything will be solved by you. And then you just like continue to the checkout. And right here you fill everything. First name, last name, card number, and you just pay it. And you're good to go. And you get your own company. They will contact you on email and you're done. And this is why it's important, guys. This is how you can simply set up an LLC in Texas. And this is what I recommend. Focus on your business. Don't focus on creating it by these things by yourself and spending so much time on it. Only because, do you know what you should focus on? Developing effective processes in your business to be effective and more quicker. Developing systems which you're gonna follow to earn and generate more revenue. And what do I mean by that? On the start, and in my experience, you're gonna do some kind of amount of work for this amount of time. And let's say it's this quality. What is your goal is to, by your time that you're gonna invest like 8 hours, increase your, like, I don't know how much work you're gonna do. Let's say let's say in 1 month, I'm going to generate 30 videos. In what way and how effective I can be to generate 90 videos a month. So that's my goal. And then go with the same quality or higher quality. And then, okay, if I can generate 90 videos and I can generate more and I'm going to have this kind of revenue bringing in right now on the beginning, can I employ more people which are going to create like me 60, 70 videos a month? And then voila, you get effective company. And then it's like, it's really simple. It's not that hard, but you can do it only by time management, by being effective, and how to actually do that. It's like, okay, everyone wants to be effective. How to be productive, right? I have an answer for that. So the first thing that you want to do is to completely disable notifications on your phone. If I'm going to show you let me show you something. If I would show you my YouTube, how it looks like, it's like this. It doesn't want to move. Oh my God, okay. Okay, it doesn't want to move for some reason. Oh, here we go. So you want to go to YouTube and let me show you. Look at this. You're not going to see anything, no distraction, because if I would deactivate it, look at this. So many attention. Also, I don't use Facebook in the morning. I don't use WhatsApp. Yes, I read emails. That's the thing. Because I think I need to do that. But on the other hand, nothing. Just focus straight on the business. I wake up at 4 a.m. and I just work, right? Until like 6 or like 5 p.m. and then I take a break and I just like enjoy the evening. I always do it like this. But there is no one who can like write me, oh, let's go together outside. No, I focus on work. And this is what you need to also set up your home in order. And set up like, okay, from this time to this time, I can't have any distractions at all. I need to focus directly on my business and that's it. So that's what I recommend. Set up the processes, set up the way how we can do it, and you're good to go. I'm also showing you the last thing that I want to show you is my Google Sheets. And I want to show you how my days looks like. Let's say, okay, as you can see, this is it. I have every day, like in Slovak language, every day I can see what I'm going to do from 5 a.m. And then I just feel here the time and I feel like what I need to do during the day. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments and have a great day and goodbye.